जय श्री कृष्ण दोस्तों। आज हम करने वाले हैं जीके के 45 क्वेश्चंस। दोस्तों ये सारे सवाल साइंस से रिलेटेड होंगे, तो अगर आपको साइंस में इंटरेस्ट है और आप जीके की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा। चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एटमॉस्फेरिक लेयर्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ रेडियो वेव्स? आंसर लोनोस्फीयर। Question 2, which wave cannot be transmitted through vacuum? Answer sound wave. Question 3, long radio waves are reflected by which of the following layers of the Earth's surface? Answer ionosphere. Question 4, wireless communication is reflected back to the Earth's surface by the? Answer ionosphere. Cosmic rays are? Answer charged particles. Which one of the following statements is not true about cosmic rays? Answer they are electromagnetic waves. Which of the following is used for the determining of structure of crystal? Answer X-rays. Which of the following is a mechanical wave? Answer sound waves. A radar which detects the presence of an enemy aircraft uses? Answer radio waves. Which one of the following types of waves are used in the night vision apparatus? Answer infrared waves. Question 11, waves used for telecommunication are? Answer microwaves. FM broadcasting services use the range of frequency bands between? Answer 88 to 108 MHz. Following rays are used in the diagnosis of intestinal diseases? Answer X-rays. CT scan is done by using? Answer X-rays. The normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is? Answer 310 Kelvin. Question 16, what is the use of thermostat? Answer to maintain the temperature. Question 17, the safest temperature for keeping the food fresh in refrigerator is? Answer 4 degrees Celsius. When a glass rod is placed in the steam, its length increases but the width? Answer increases. In the night, wind blows fast due to not found because? Answer rate of evaporation is fast. What does an air conditioner installed in a room control? Answer humidity and temperature. The cooling by a desert cooler is based on? Answer evaporative cooling. It is more comfortable to wear white clothes in summer because? They reflect all the heat falling on them. The most important function of precipitation is? Answer to regulate body temperature. Lightning can never burn a tree because it controls tremendous amount of? Answer electric energy. A fan produces feeling of comfort during hot weather because? Answer our perspiration evaporates rapidly. When water is heated to 0 degree to 10 degrees Celsius its volume? Answer first decreases and then increases. Friends, remember at 4 degrees Celsius the water contraction is maximum. Question 27, in which medium is the speed of sound maximum at a temperature of around 20 degrees Celsius? Answer iron. Sound that can travel both in solid and gaseous medium. The velocity of sound is maximum in? Answer metal. In which of the following options sounds may across travel? Answer vacuum. The velocity of the sound in air is approximately? Answer 330 meter per second. Two astronauts cannot hear each other on the moon's surface because no atmosphere on the moon. Ultrasonic waves are waves of frequency. Answer greater than 20,000 Hz. A biotechnique is an ultrasonic sound used for. Answer sonography. The decibel unit is used to measure. Answer sound intensity. As per the WHO, the safe noise level for a city is. Answer 45 decibels. The tolerable limit of noise for human being is around. Answer 85 decibels. The optimum minimum sound level for human being is. Answer 60. Which one of the following has the longest wavelength? Answer radio waves. Question 40. A dynamo which is used to generate electricity actually acts as a. Answer converter of energy. Turbines and dynamos are used to generate which energy to electrical energy? Answer mechanical energy. When electrical energy is converted into motion, there is no heat loss. A device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is. Answer electric motor. A device which controls chemical energy into electrical energy is called. Answer a battery. Which one of the following metal is used as a filament of lightning bulb? Answer tungsten. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you learned something new from this video, then please subscribe our channel and press the like button.